it's your friend Jamie, and I'm back to clean this place up. We spent the morning at the doctor's office, just a little of this, little of that, and I figured, you know what? We need to come home and get stuff in order. We need some organization, we need some order, we need a path. So let's clear a path. Okay, so the things we have to do today are dishes, laundry, straighten our school supplies, clean up the living room, water the plants inside and outside. I want to sweep, vacuum, and mop the floors. And my bedroom needs tidying up because I have all the office overflow stuff in my bedroom, and that stuff has got to be sorted. I have eventually got to sort all of that. I'm thinking about putting an office in my bedroom, but I don't want to clutter my bedroom. But I really want to redo my bedroom. These are things that I think of. We'll get there. We'll get there eventually. But the first thing you should always do before redecorating, before buying anything new, before doing anything, clean up what you have. Organize what you have. If you want to do anything to your home to make it better, to freshen it up, to make it the oasis that you need it to be, first thing you do, clean it up. Wow, that's such simple advice. Kind of reminds me of when my mama, and you would say, oh, my hand hurts, or I got this cut, or whatever. She'd say, well, you know what's good for that? Dishes. That was her answer to everything. You have PMS, you should do dishes. You have a toothache, you should do dishes. You just broke your right arm, you should do dishes. So, I guess that's where we start. Dishes. Let's go. I know what you're thinking. That was fast. And it was, because it's that easy. Just, you gotta get the motivation. You gotta get it moving. Woo, woo, woo. Let's get it done. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me. I have always had an aversion to putting up dishes. I've always had an aversion to dishes in general. I call it childhood trauma. My daughter calls it dishes PTSD. I think we all have it. But this is my solution to putting away our silverware. We keep our silverware in this little picnic holder. I got it on Amazon. This on Amazon. These are just plastic cups from Walmart. They're like 50 cents a piece. I put those in there to give it a little more structure. And then behind it, you can put napkins. You can put paper plates. Yeah, there you go. And so if you're at the table and you don't want to have to go run all the way across the room, I forgot a fork, I forgot this, I forgot that, or somebody drops something, you can just say, hey, hand me that. It's right there at the table. So that's my little solution. Okay, now we're going to refill the dishwasher. We're going to make these all disappear into here. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me move. You make And just like that, dishwasher's loaded.
Hey, Mom.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move.
And just like that, dishes are done. Now that took all of 12 and a half minutes. Yeah. Now we are going to organize our school supplies. We do school year round. In the hot, hot months of summer, when we can't get out, because this is Texas, people, we go full hobbit. We stay in the house. Unless we're like at the lake or something. So we're going to open this cabinet right here at the end of our island. Ooh, what an embarrassment. We're gonna clean this up.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.
437. Which one?
I thought you left it up here. Remember? You never like. Go over here. Yeah. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Everything I do, look at that. It's done.
Give me the whole stack. Okay, so we have reference books and textbooks right here. And now we're going to fill up these two with supplies.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside
I thought you changed bottle cap.
I'll find somewhere to put.
of you. And when you dance, I'm in the groove.
Looking at this mess down here, would you have imagined there'd be this many supplies? We have a whole box of Crayolas. We have a whole box of markers. And we have one entire box of school supplies. Amazing! Now it's time for our big school cabinet makeover reveal. Ready? Woo! Look, we have all our reference books, our textbooks, our reading books, our Bible books.
Mom, it looks amazing.
Doesn't it look great? We have all our markers, we have all our crayons, we have our art books down here, and art books and manipulatives down here. We have all our extra supplies,
This looks
an
awesome.
extra Bible, and then here are our books and our papers over here, and one giant pencil for a whole lot of homework. There we go.
Yeah, so if you're
And it took 10 minutes. 10 minutes is all you need. 10 minutes. Just give it 10 minutes.
Yep.
So today's word of the day is hustle. 10 minutes to wash, hit a few buttons, throw some laundry in, you're good to go. 10 more minutes, throw it at the dryer, hit a little button, let it go. 10 minutes more, not even 10 minutes more. Fold it, put it away. Hustle, people, hustle. But make no mistake about it, there will be a nap at the end of this. The living room now needs our attention. We have a bunch of clean pillowcase covers that need to be put on pillows. And we have a box of to-go stuff. It needs to go to the thrift store for, it's just old clothes, things of mine and the girls. We're gonna give those away to somebody who needs them. We're gonna tidy this area. We're gonna vacuum, we're gonna sweep, we're gonna mop. We're gonna put our pillowcases on. I don't think we need to dust today, but we might, you never know.
Yes, I'm in the group. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me move.
Let's look at the list. We have done our dishes. We have done our laundry. We've tidied the school supplies. We cleaned the living room. I'm gonna water the plants in a minute when the sun goes down. About to mop floors. And my bedroom tidy is for tomorrow. And right now, I'm enjoying some pasta that Kenna and Evie made. These floors have been mopped. They are shiny and drying. They are looking good. And this is why I have to mop every 5 minutes. Meet Miss Bowie and her diaper of doom. I came outside. I'm fixing to water all my plants around the front porch, but I wanted to show you my buns. These are my Valentine buns. And they are the sweetest babies. They're getting so big. They were so tiny when I first got them. My goodness. This is Sugar and Daisy. Aren't they the sweetest? They're sisters. And they love their little condominium. They sleep out here and they live out here on the porch. When it gets really hot though, they're gonna have to come inside the house because it gets just too hot for bunnies. I keep a few plants here on the front porch. Come down the steps. I have some cactuses and some aloe and things like that. We've got plenty of room for improvement because I am by no means an expert on plants. This is my tiny little garden. I mean, it's just tiny. It was just what I could handle for right now.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me move. You make me move.
Y'all, I am thoroughly exhausted. Oh, I'm melting, I'm sweating. We've watered all the plants. We've taken care of our garden stuff. We did our list for today, except for tidy my room. I will get that done. Might not be tonight or today, but it might be tomorrow. But it'll get done, I promise. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Thank you for being my friend. subscribe, and if you have subscribed, tell a friend about me so they can subscribe too. Hit the like button so YouTube knows you like my content, and leave me a message. Let me know what's going on with you. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for being my friend, because it's your friend Jamie, and I'll see you in a couple of days. Bye, y'all.